Hi there, I'm Michelle the Painter. I wanted to get on camera today to say thank you. I want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart for 2025. We are rocking and rolling right into 2026 right now, and we just had in Michelle's painting group, in our community of artists that are under my wing, we just had an incredible year. So I wanted to just get on camera at the end of 2025, say thank you to everybody. I got in 2025 to meet a bunch of you at a couple of art retreats that I had done. So that was extremely exciting for me, kind of put, faces to names and got to know you guys a little bit more, which was, brought things more real to me, and I really enjoyed doing that. You guys in this community have helped to make Michelle's painting group on Patreon one of the most popular art groups, painting groups, acrylic tutorials. So it's with your support that we have such a large community, with the community growth that we have seen in 2025. And not only gives all of you guys and myself more inspiration to keep creating art, it also helps to give us more knowledge in how to create art and painting, because we get all of everybody else's information and we just kind of feed off of each other and learn from each other, which I think is an important thing within our own personal artistic growth. So that really is great as I see our community just growing and growing with leaps and bounds. And in 2026, there is going to be a bunch of new stuff that we're going to introduce in our group, which I'm very excited about. We're going to be not only kind of experimenting with different mediums to just open and broaden our whole kind of artistic repertoire and tools and stuff, but we're also going to explore working on different surfaces and using different tools and different techniques. So I think it's going to just make us all these big, well-rounded artists that can kind of dabble in different stuff and really figure out what is going to be the medium or the tool or the technique or the style or the subject that is going to bring us into the authentic artists that we all have inside of our hearts and our souls. So we're going to, of course, we have tons of exclusive content that will be offered to all of the members. So I just wanted to, get on camera and give you all a big, huge, artistic virtual hug and say thank you for 2025. And I cannot wait for 2026. See you soon.